Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to work problem number 15 and problem number 22 from the college algebra video assignment. So this is problem number 15. You have y to the negative 3, y to the negative 4, y to the 0, all over the quantity 2y to the negative 2 cubed. So the first thing you want to do is parentheses for order of operations. So the first thing you're going to do is just copy over the numerator because it doesn't change because there's no parentheses. And then you're going to cube each part. So 2 cubed is 8. And y to the negative 2 cubed is y to the negative 6. Because when you raise a variable with an exponent to another exponent, you multiply them together, so it's y to the negative 6. So the next thing you want to do is combine your like terms. So in the numerator, all the y's can be combined. So when you combine variables with exponents, you just add the exponents up. So it's going to be y to the negative 7, and then y to the 0 is 1, because anything to the 0 is 1. So it's going to be y to the negative 7. And then in the denominator, there's nothing to be combined. I'm going to have to switch colors. There's nothing to be combined, so it's just 8y to the negative 6. So then you want to get rid of your negative exponents. So to do that, I'm going to bring the y to the negative 6 up to the numerator. And so that's going to get rid of the negative, because when you have a negative, you just, if it's in the numerator, put it in the denominator. If it's in the denominator, you put it in the numerator. So I'm going to bring it up to the numerator. And it's going to be y to the negative 7, y to the 6 over 8. So then at this point you just combine them. So when you're multiplying the variables, the exponents are just added, and negative 7 plus positive 6 is negative 1. So it's going to be y to the negative 1 over 8. And so that's still negative, so you need to put it into the denominator so it won't be negative anymore. So your final answer will be 1 over 8y. There you go. So this is problem number 22. It's a factoring problem. So the first thing you want to do is see if there's any factors you can take out of the problem, just like a common factor. And so the first obvious one is 5. And so to factor out a 5, you're just going to divide each term by 5. So take out a positive 5, and you're left with 5t to the 6th negative 2t cubed plus t squared. So the next thing that you can see that can be taken out is the t. So you can only take out, you couldn't take out t to the cubed because there's no t to the cubed in this part. So you can only take out t squared. To take out t squared, you just subtract t squared from each section. I'm gonna have to switch colors again. So it'll be 5t squared on the outside. Then it'll be 5 and subtract t squared from t to the 6th. So it's going to be t to the 4th minus 2t plus 1. And then you would see if you could then factor this trinomial, and in this case you cannot factor the trinomial, so this is your final answer.